This is going to be part one of a crazy amount of series. I need to just jump in because I am on a wicked time limit. So, perfect match set. This is 4 cakes in one. $119.99. Here are the 4 cakes right here. It's got Mr. Right and Mrs. Always Right. A piece, they're $34.99, 20 shots by Raccoon. Got some more of them right here. Got Wild Hunt by Raccoon, $139.99. Oh boy, it's gonna be a long day here. Oh man, I'm trying to get into it, I'm so tired. I don't really know. Doesn't really show on the actual box itself what's in there. Tiger Curse, Jaguar Roars, Bear Growl, and Lion Threat. They're all in there. I just can't tell you anything about them. $140. You can find out for yourself. Pyro Safari by Sunwing, $129.99. Looks like there's elephant, lion, snake, giraffe, zebra, and leopard. That's them down there. Never seen them before. But 6 in 1 for 130 bucks. That ain't bad. Sorry if I'm walking fast. I'm trying not to. I'm just excited. Got some Shark Attack, 150 bucks, 4 cakes by Raccoon. You got Shark Wave, Jawsome, Shark Rider, and Shark Tail. They got some nice assortments this year. What do we got? Looks like each of them are 16 shots. Yes. Oh no, okay. Alright, so Shark Wave, 16 shots. Spin you around. Where is it? Thank you, Raccoon. 16 shots for Jawsome. Oh, I almost fell. Got Shark Tail. And that one's 9 shots. And I think Shark Rider's 9 shots. Yeah, okay. So, for the Shark Attack pack, you get 2 16-shot cakes. And then 2 9-shot cakes by Raccoon. Anything 9-shot by Raccoon, that'll be a nice one. Interesting. 150 bucks for all 4. Not bad. I think they're $42.99 a piece originally, so I'm burping. From the gosh darn McDonald's. Sassy. 50 bucks. 600 shots. What the heck? Gotta be, let me feel the bore size. Yeah, it's like a Roman candle basically. Shoots flaming balls. Performance description, there we go. A little sassy, 600 shots of red, green, blue, and purple stars with crackling. Huh. 50 bucks. 600 shots. Piss off the Karens in your neighborhood. You guys know how it goes. Riding Shotgun by Brothers, $33.99, 25 shots. Boom is back here. 40 bucks, 30 shots by Brothers. Got Crazy Creatures, 50 bucks, 36 shots by Brothers. Really want that one, but I'm trying to limit myself today. Wind Up, had that one by Brothers, $42.99, 36 shots. That's a good one. Medalist, haven't seen that one before. $36.99, 30 shots. Might be snagging that. This is just bad. This is a bad idea. I shouldn't have came here today. Big Break, Firefly, 16 shots, $32.99 by Brothers. Hopefully you can see that good. It's doing something to my eyes right now. Flip Flop Fly. Try saying that as fast as I just did. I'm so surprised I did that. $94.99, 145 shots for a bunch of fish. Mob Madness pack from Brothers. Crime Scene, Inside Job, Blood Money, and Turf War. That's a good pack, I think. That's 196 shots. Yeah, that's a what is it, 48? No, 49 shots a cake. Oh yeah, that's right there on the frickin' duh. There we go. Who would have known I could do math that good? Brothers Stars. 192 shots. That is the what is that? Canopus, Capella, Centuri, and Vega. So $159.99. I didn't even say the price on this, did I? I'm sorry. $135.99 for Mob Madness. Got so all the other packs and the Brothers Stars are 45 bucks. Each of those are 48 shots. Wind Chill by Brothers, 18 shots, $42.99. Open Fire, great cake, $44.99, 33 shots. Got Sweet Spot, it's $34.99, 30 shots. Cool Company, it's 40 bucks, 19 shots. Hooligan, it's 49 shots, $32.99. Sorry, I was itching my wrist. Combat Zone, 100 bucks for 210 shots. Shotgun Wedding, 50 bucks for 36 shots. Got Amped, $44.99, 37 shots. Got Fan Favorite, $46.99, 42 shots. Neon Dreams, $42.99, 30 shots. Big and Bold, had this one before. It's a very good performer. 18 shots, 80 bucks. Get it. Don't sleep on it. Trust me. Wicked Cool, $54.99, 49 shots. 37 shots for Air Boss, 50 bucks. Baby Boomers, Boomer, 40 bucks, 16 shots. High Output, 14 shots, $33.99. That is $129.99. Oh, what's the name of this fucking thing again? I always forget. That's right, Major Combat, 119 shots. Smoke Show, $45.99. It's 45 shots. Vegas Trip, blah, blah, blah. 30 shots, $35.99. Got Bombshell with Miss Marilyn on top, $35.99. It's 49 shots. Timeless Beauty, $35.99, 49 shots. Got Drive-In, $35.99, 50 shots. Parrots Prattle, it is $45.99, 36 shots. Light Brigade, $27.99, 42 shots. Got Mainframe by Brothers, 54 shots. It's $39.99. And we got something that nobody needs ever in their lifetime. Blonde Joke, it's 40 bucks, 36 shots. Geiger Gorgeous, it's 38 shots, $43.99. Got Hella Sweet, it is 40 bucks, 32 breaks, 16 shots. Double breaks in that one. Midnight or Saturday Night Special. Wow, what am I thinking? $39.99, 36 shots. Atom Bomb, 40 bucks, 36 shots. Highfalutin, $34.99, 49 shots. All the bombs are going to be 40 bucks, 36 shots for each of them. Cobalt, Neutron, Hydrogen, and Atom, they're all 40 bucks. The pack is down here. I'll tell you what the pack is. Hit the Road Jack is 49 shots, $34.99. Great cake. That was actually one of the cakes that put my channel on the map. It's kind of funny. The big bomb box, $159.99 for all 4 of the bombs. Trying not to get ahead of myself here, people. Hopefully you're still with me. We're about 10 minutes in. We got Midnight, 204 shots, $119.99. Whole mess of them. Yeah, baby, yeah. From Brothers, it is $43.99, 28 shots. Got bold colors, $39.99, 20 shots. Got Acid Rain, 50 bucks, 37 shots. Trendy Tattoos, 40 bucks, 12 shots. And we got some other stuff over here. We're probably gonna spin around and go back the other way. Crocodile Hunter from Pyro Predator, it's 100 bucks. Some Boom Wow stuff. Got Wacky Tobackies all over here. $89.99 for the Wacky Tobackies, which is realistically a steal right now. I'm gonna do this real quick. Take 2. It's the both of them are 60 shots, $89.99. I might be leaving here with this. I'm pretty sure they both go at once. I'm not sure. I'll have to take a look at it, and I might be leaving here with them. Nobody tell my wife. She doesn't watch my videos, trust me. She doesn't care. One Bad Mother, new and bigger, and it is 90 bucks. That's the 3-inch one. Alright, I'm going to try to make a run down here. Here we go. Swarm, Stinger brand, $42.99, 49 shots. Yeah, Yellow Jacket, $42.99 by Stinger. It is 49 shots. Riding Dirty, it's 24 shots, $56.99. Stinger, Stinger, Stinger. Trying not to go too fast. You got Hive by Stinger. It's 42 shots, 60 bucks. Trying to keep a nice smooth transition so you guys aren't looking like you're trying to go off-roading. Black Scorpion brand, you got Pitfall. 33 shots, $42.99. You got Go Fury, 25 shots, $34.99. Go Freak, 25 shots, $34.99. Go Crazy, 36 shots, $34.99. You got Red Woman. What? Okay, where's the N? Come on, Scorpion, what are you doing here? 30 bucks, 25 shots. Neon Rings. What? 100 bucks for Neon Rings. Crap. I don't have that much room in my vehicle. That's the issue here. Alright. 25 shots for Funky Coco, $36.99. Raging Red, 25 shots, $29.99. $36.99 for Funky Coco, by the way. I keep forgetting prices. Duh. Go Maniac, 27 shots, $39.99. Neon City, it's 36 shots, $36.99. Got the Willow Box from Scorpion, 28 shots, 30 bucks. Rebellious Desire, $34.99, 36 shots. Got a Loaded Cannon, $39.99, and that is 36 shots. It's right on front, too. And we got Terminator, 25 shots, $34.99. Black Scorpion. Just got it under 15 minutes for literally both of these rows. I'm gonna be here for a little bit. Stick along for the ride because I'm going to try to get everything. I'm going to try. I'm not going to be here for 12 hours filming. They'll probably kick me out at that point. But we'll see you guys in the next one. This will be part 1. Thank you much, And I'm gonna end it here and hopefully not take anything from this aisle. The urge is real, I can promise you.